The technical skills I've learned will help create a stable foundation for when I enter the workforce.
The Millyard Advantage is about creating a connection between UNH Manchester and what careers are available right here in the Millyard within walking distance of the campus.
The students coming out of UNH Manchester are perfectly suited for all of these great new innovative companies here in the Millyard.
I secured an internship and that rolled into a full-time job upon graduation. It was my professors that connected me to the growing biotech hub here in the Millyard.
UNH Manchester is a hub for all these different companies. So when you graduate with your bachelor's degree, there are all these job opportunities.
The combination of UNH Manchester's location in the Millyard, as well as the connections that professors have, help students transition to being successful in the workforce.
The Millyard is going through a renaissance of innovation. Our students are in the middle of that, ready to take advantage of the opportunities that are being created every day here in this exciting area.